Closed-cell polyethylene enhances frequency response for improved sound clarity. Easy conformability in tight spaces for a professional installation. Thin material design offers less bulk for a clean and tight installation for professional finished appearance. Reduces panel to frame and door panel reverberation and road noise for improved acoustics. Acts as a protective guard for exposed speakers and extends their lifespan. Boom mat speaker baffles maximize speaker performance by isolating the correct frequency responses while damping reverberation in the sheet metal and panel to frame resonance. Also forms a watertight protective shell to prevent moisture intrusion. Closed-cell polyethylene enhances frequency response for improved sound clarity. Easy conformability in tight spaces for a professional installation isolates frequency responses and prevents sound from migrating to unfavorable areas in the vehicle such as door panels. Top reviews from the United States. Improved sound quality. I wanted to step up the audio in my camper van. All at once I added sound deadening material, some pricey single speaker amps PM100X1K, which sound great, and these sound baffles. I also used boom mat spray liner to reach the nooks and corners of the inside door. I did cut a 1 by 1 inch hole to let the speaker breathe a tad. In my case these baffles did remove bass, which is actually what I wanted.